Hey guys, Eddie the Magic Monk here. First video that I'm making on my new Mi monitor, 34-inch curved gaming monitor. And the first thing I want to mention is that when I went into my display settings in my Radeon software, I saw that my refresh rate was only 50. I know it says 144 now because I changed it, but originally this number was 50. So I would strongly suggest you check that your 144 or 120 or whatever hertz monitor is at its maximum, because if that number is not at the largest number possible, you might experience screen tearing when you're playing games, which are basically frame transitions that are really visible, so you can actually see lines going up and down, and I don't think anyone can handle that. So what you want to do to fix that number, if it's not the highest, is you're going to go to your desktop, right click on your desktop, choose display settings, and then what you want to do is scroll right down to where it says advanced display settings, and then you're going to make sure that you choose the right monitor here. So I'm choosing my Mi monitor, and you can see the refresh rate. Okay, so if I choose my other monitor, you can see that the refresh rate is only 59. But I'm going to choose the Mi monitor, and I want to change this number, so you're going to click on display adapter properties, and this new window pops up. You're going to go into monitor, and here is where you can change your refresh rate. Now, I'm not kidding when I said that the default was 50. So you need to change it to 144. Otherwise, it's not going to work. Okay, your games would be, you'd be playing them very badly if that was the case. All right, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.